Hello students, welcome to Chosen Classes. I'm sure you all must be preparing for your prelims examination. So please pay attention and focus to all the concepts, and this is a very conceptual topic. After the COVID had come, everybody wanted to wear masks. Why? Because the demand was high, so that becomes an economic act. Of human indicators, human development indicators. Mass production, the costs have reduced. Of course, technological advancements have been made, so those are different goods. You're talking about, it is only that demand, the prices should always be low. That is where the economy runs. Doesn't really actually impact the consumption for the consumer. Much more higher, which means a country. So if you talk about order of richness, country A responsibility of RBI to control this inflation, and that is a very important task which is done by them. New terminology which can come as questions. And of course, please do attend the test, do the test, and see how these terms, how all these concepts can come as questions. Thank you, and please subscribe to Chosen Classes.